Kaburganın altına gelmiş kılıç darbesi.
Kaburganın altına gelmiş kılıç darbesi. Meaning of the sentence, as you can see on the screen, the sword strike entered under the rib. So, kaburga alone means rib. Kaburganın altına. We have noun complement. Now here alt means lower or low or down. Altına, we have said noun complement, ne as a protection letter, and a, because we have gelmiş, the verb gelmiş takes a or a. And I've mentioned several times in other videos and in the stories, in most of the videos, why do we use the letter N as a protection letter sometimes, and why do we use the letter Y? Now here we use the letter N because the is not part of the word. We added it, that's why we put N and not Y. Gelmiş, came. And it means entered, so the sword entered. Where? That area, under the rib. Kılıç means sword, darbesi. Darbesi here means the strike. It comes from the word darbe. And here they mean when the sword strike, it entered. It entered where? Under the rib.
Neyse ki meşe yaprağı kanamayı durdurmuş. Yoksa alimallah kaybederdik.
Neyse ki meşe yaprağı kanamayı durdurmuş, yoksa alimallah kaybederdik. Meaning, fortunately, the oak leaf stopped the bleeding, otherwise we would have lost. And of course, they mean we would have lost the person who is wounded. So neyse ki means fortunately. Meşe yaprağı, oak leaf. So meşe is oak, yaprak. This word comes from yaprak. It means leaf. Kanamayı, kanama means bleeding. It comes also, we have the word kan means blood. Kanama means bleeding. Kanamayı durdurmuş. Durdurmuş from durdurmak, to stop. So here we use the reported past tense, which is the muş. And because we have this verb, durdurmak, we use before in the word before it, the letter or e. So here, because we have letter a, kanama, so we use and y as a protection letter. Yoksa, or here they mean otherwise. So if you haven't used the oak leaf, he would have died. Yoksa, otherwise, alimallah, God knows. So I didn't translate it here, but here this is an Arabic word. It means God knows what would have happened. So God knows, kaybederdik, we would have lost. Of course, here when you translate kaybederdik alone, it means we would have lost. But here they mean, of course, they would have lost him, the person who is wounded. That's why I wrote it. By the way, if you are benefiting from the explanation, then I recommend that you take a look on the 5 Turkish story, 9-hour long stories, where I explain for 9 hours these stories, step by step, detailed explanation, grammar, and meaning of the sentences. I will put the link in the description box below.
Ebe kadın, hemen sıcak su getir.
Hemen Akçakoca.
Ebe kadın hemen sıcak su getir. Hemen Akçakoca. So ebe kadın means midwife. Kadın means, by the way, woman, but here midwife, both of them together. Hemen, immediately, right away. Sıcak su, hot water. So this is it. Sıcak su, hot water. Su is water. Getir, bring. From getirmek, to bring. Getir is the order. Getir. Without the mek and mak, we remove them. Hemen Akçakoca, so immediately, right away, and his name.
Bacak da fena. Ama biz önce şu yarayı halledelim.
Bacak da fena ama biz önce şu yarayı halledelim. The leg is too bad, or it's also too bad, we'll explain it, but let's take care of that wound first. Bacak, leg, da also, fena, bad. So maybe the wounded man is wounded a lot, and he said, this man who is treating him said also his leg is too bad, but ama biz önce, we all before, so biz means we, person pronoun we, önce before, şu means that, yarayı from yara, and we have y as a protection letter because we have the verb halletmek at the end, it takes before it or e. Also, I've mentioned that before, each verb, the word before takes some letters. Depending on what the verb is, we know these letters. And how do you know them? You know them by practice, by listening a lot. And there is a list also for each verb. What does it take? I've added it to my course, Practical Steps to Learning Turkish. I'll put the link below. Halledelim, from halletmek, which means to solve. Halledelim. This elim addition at the end means let us. So let's take care. Of course, we won't say here, let's solve. No, we have to change the translation a little bit accordingly, so to have a meaningful sentence. If you want to receive the script of this Turkish series and the other Turkish series that I have on my channel, then you can receive them when you get your own copy of the channel's PDF files that I've talked about before, where you will receive the PDF files of the whole channel. It is a lifetime access, and I will keep on adding new PDF files when you get your own copy. And of course, if you've already registered to the channel's PDF, you will find this PDF file related to the Turkish series for free. I will put the link in the description box below for more details.
Bundan sonrasını Akçakoca halleder. Biz yan tarafta bekleyelim.
Bundan sonrasını Akçakoca halleder, biz yan tarafta bekleyelim. Akçakoca will take care of the rest, let's wait on the side. So bundan sonrası, later. Here we'll change the meaning according to the sentence while translating. Akçakoca, we said the name of that person. Halleder, from the one we took previously. Halledelim, it's the same, but this is the geniş zaman. So when do we use the geniş zaman? When you do something habitually, always. We use the geniş zaman, which is the er at the end. So Akçakoca will take care, halleder will take care of the rest. Biz yan tarafta bekleyelim. Bekleyelim, as passed before, elim means let's. Let's wait. From beklemek to wait. Bekleyelim, elim, let's. Let's wait. Where? On the side. So yan tarafta. Yan means side. So yan means side, and taraf also, by the way, means side. So let's wait on the side. And here, of course, he means let's wait in another place, which is next to where they are now, where the wounded man is being treated.
Babamı yalnız bırakmayalım abla.
Merak etme. Baban emin ellerde.
Babamı yalnız bırakmayalım, abla. Merak etme, baban emin ellerde. Meaning, let's not leave my father alone, sister, don't worry, your father is in good hands. So, babamı, my father, yalnız, alone, so these are the meanings. Bırakmayalım. See here also we have alım. So when we have elim or alım, it means let's we. So let us. Yes, the same. Bırakmayalım, from bırakmak, to leave. So let's not leave our father alone. And abla means sister, the big sister. We call her abla. Merak etme, as it is, don't worry. From merak etmek, to worry, merak etme. We remove the mek and the mak, the infinitive form, and then we have the order. Merak etme, don't worry. Baban emin ellerde. Your father, baban. So baba is father. Baban, when we use the n, it means you. Your father. Emin means good. Here it means good. Ellerde, in hands. So el means hand, eller, hands, and de means in. The sentence will be, your father is in good hands, don't worry, and that's it.
Haçlılar nereye götürüyorlardı sizi?
Haçlılar nereye götürüyorlardı sizi? So where were the crusaders taking you? Haçlılar, crusaders, nereye, to where? So where to? Götürüyorlardı, taking, sizi, you. Götürüyorlardı means, or it comes from the infinitive form götürmek, which means to take away. Sizi, you. All of you together, the plural you. So where were the crusaders taking you? And let's explain this word a little bit. Götürüyorlardı, as we said, from götürmek, to take away. The yor here means it's the şimdiki zaman, the present continuous tense. Lar is plural. When we want to make a word plural, we put either lar or ler. The past. We use it for the past tense. So where were they taking you in the past? And that's it. So these crusaders, where were they taking you?
Bilmiyorum. Söylemediler.
Bilmiyorum, söylemediler. Bilmiyorum, I don't know, they didn't say. Bilmiyorum from the infinitive form bilmek, to know. The me here is the negative. So, I don't know, Your, as we said, is the şimdiki zaman, present continuous tense, and also we use it for the present tense. So we don't say, while translating, we don't say I am not knowing. We say I don't know. This şimdiki zaman is also used for the present tense. Refers to I, the personal pronoun I, so I can say ben bilmiyorum or only bilmiyorum because this at the end means I. So I don't know. Söylemediler, they didn't say, so they didn't say. From söylemek, to say. And the me here is also for the negative. D in the past. So in the past, this happened in the past. Ler, they. They didn't say.
Esir pazarında satacaklardı herhalde. Babam tüccardır. Akdeniz'de esir düştük.
Esir pazarında satacaklardı herhalde. Babam tüccardır. Akdeniz'de esir düştük. Meaning of the sentence, they would probably sell us in the slave market. My father is a merchant. We were captured in the Mediterranean. Esir pazarında, in the slave market. Pazar means market. Pazarında, in the market. So in the market of the slaves, satacaklardı. They would have sold. So from satmak, to sell, we have acak is the future, lar plural, the past. So they would have sold in the slave market. Herhalde means probably. I suppose this is it. So they would probably sell us in the slave market. And here in the sentence they didn't say us. But this is the story. This is what happened. They were taking them as captives. So of course they will sell them. So I used the us so that you can understand the meaning of the sentence. Babam tüccardır. So my father is a merchant or is a trader. So baba, which is father, baba, my father, tüccardır, trader, merchant, and they're here to emphasize, and also when we have a noun sentence without any verb. So Akdeniz'de esir düştük. We were captured in the Mediterranean. Akdeniz, ak means white, by the way. Deniz means sea, the white sea. So Mediterranean, de in. And we put this apostrophe because Akdeniz is a name. When we have names like countries, your name, we put apostrophe and then we put the addition. Esir düştük literally means we fell as captives. Esir means prisoner. Esir düştük, we fell as prisoners. We were taken, captured as in the Akdeniz. So here, if you notice, we said esir pazarında, which when we translate it, we said slave market. We don't say like prisoners market. No, it's they take the prisoners and then sell them as slaves.
Baban iyi bir tüccar olmalı. Sizi bu kadar haçla götürdüğüne göre.
Baban iyi bir tüccar olmalı. Sizi bu kadar haçlı götürdüğüne göre. Your father must be a good trader or a merchant for so many crusaders to take you. So baban, as we know, your father iyi bir tüccar olmalı. Olmalı from olmak, to be. The malı means must, should. Olmalı, so here it means your father should or must be iyi, good. Tüccar means trader or merchant. So your father must be a good trader. Sizi bu kadar haçlı götürdüğüne göre. For so many crusaders to take you. Sizi you, bu kadar, that much. So a lot of crusaders. Haçlı, we say crusader. Götürdüğüne göre means according. Now while translating, we don't say according for so many crusaders to take you. It means for all of them, all this number to take you, lots of crusaders, then your father must be a good merchant. But göre usually means according. Götürdüğüne göre, we said götürmek, from götürmek, the infinitive form, to take, away.
Evet. Zengindik. Ama artık hiçbir şeyimiz kalmadı.
Evet, zengindik ama artık hiçbir şeyimiz kalmadı. Evet, yes, zengindik. We were rich, zengin, rich, dik, we. So we were rich. Ama, but, artık hiçbir şeyimiz kalmadı. All of it together. Now we don't have anything. Or, now we have nothing left. Kalmadı comes from the infinitive form kalmak, to stay. Kalmadı, we have the negative, didn't stay. So, şeyimiz, our thing, şey is thing, means we. Artık hiçbir, not anything at all. So while translating each word alone, it will be a little bit different when we take the whole meaning of the sentence. The whole meaning means, yes, we were rich, but now we don't have anything left. This is the meaning.
Peki bu oba neresi?
Peki bu oba neresi? Peki means okay, well. Bu oba neresi? Where is this oba? Bu means this. Now oba, I translated it as, I can say it as tribe and wrote it as it is, but oba, you need to know the meaning. It means the home of a nomadic community. So the home of a nomadic community is called oba. You can say it, and for the rest of the video, let's say it's a tribe. Neresi means where.
Kayı obasındasınız. Ben obanın beyi Süleyman Şah'ın oğluyum.
Kayı obasındasınız. Ben obanın beyi Süleyman Şah'ın oğluyum. Kayı obasındasınız means you are in the Kayı tribe. We said we'll translate oba as tribe. So the name of the tribe is Kayı. We have non-complement over here. Oba, as we said, that nomadic community. Obası, non-complement. Da, in, sınız, you, the plural you. So you are in Kayı tribe. Then we go to the second sentence. We have oğluyum means I am the son. I am the son of who? Süleyman Shah. This is his name, Süleyman. Shah is the lakab that we explained that in the previous video of this movie. So I am the son of Süleyman Shah. Who is who? Who is the bey of this oba? Who is the responsible, let's say, bey, you know, Mr. We use it, but he is the responsible. Like he has the higher position, he is responsible, higher position in this oba. So I am the son of Süleyman Shah, who is the bey of this oba.
Size 3 can borcumuz var.
Size 3 can borcumuz var. We owe you 3 lives. Size, to you. 3 means 3. Can means life. Borç, as it is. Borç means debt. Borcumuz, like we owe you, var there is. So we owe you 3 lives. Why? If you watched this movie before, this is the first episode, by the way, he saved her father and her brother. So we owe you 3 lives.